Welcome to a quick tutorial on Health Promotion, a division of Campus Health Services. We're going to briefly go over who we are and how to request a program. Hi, my name is Sarah Choate, and I'm the Interim Program Manager at Health Promotion and Education, a division of Campus Health Services. The staff at Health Promotion care about you and your students' well-being, and we design engaging, interactive programs and services that improve well-being and help students learn how to grow their own resilience. So what is resilience? Well, it's the acquired capacity to be flexible in your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors when facing your life's challenges in order to move forward with confidence. At Health Promotion, our programs include measurable student learning outcomes that are associated with building resilience and well-being to support academic success. We provide students, student groups, and student staff in housing and residence life a wide range of well-being programs, services, and resources in stress resilience, sleeping and napping, fitness and movement, food, nutrition and cooking, sexual health and relationships, student and volunteer connectedness, and alcohol and other substances. So let's go over just how easy it is to request a program, service, or resource on our website. So the first thing you want to do is go to our website at www.louisville.edu/health promotion and click on Request a Program. Please note that requests should be submitted at least 2 to 3 weeks ahead of time so we can have our staff plan accordingly. And remember that you're responsible for advertising, room reservation, refreshments, and attendance. Please ask for help if you need it. And fill in all required fields. There's a menu of options available in a link on the program request form. So who's requesting? Is anyone coordinating this program with you? Be sure to list their contact info. And RAs, you must include your hall director as person number 2. When is the program? Again, be sure to request that program 2 to 3 weeks ahead of time. And when possible, please offer multiple dates and/or time options so we can better meet your request. When you're selecting a program, click on that link to see all the program options to make sure you're picking the one that best fits your audience. Most programs are free, but some might have a slight fee. And are you partnering with any other organizations? Be sure to include that information. Here's our updated list of programs that we offer for the 2018-2019 school year. You'll notice that they're differently color-coded, which lets you know which well-being factor they fall under. Be sure to follow the link at the bottom of the screen to find this page. Next, where will this program take place? If you're an undergraduate or serving undergraduates, you'll probably be clicking on Belknap campus. And if you need guidance choosing healthy snacks to serve, if you plan to serve food, we can definitely help with that. Be sure to list any other comments or questions you might have. When you click Submit, you'll hear from somebody from Health Promotion within 48 hours to confirm your request and other details. Marketing is really important to make sure that students attend this program. As the requester, you're responsible for promoting your program to the audience, including word of mouth, flyers, social media posts, and submitting to UofL student communication channels if that applies to you. Health Promotion can help with custom flyers and social media posts. On the day of the program, please be sure to arrive 15 to 20 minutes ahead of the scheduled time. If you plan to have snacks or food, of course order those in advance and make sure they show up on time. Health Promotion will provide handouts, giveaways, and evaluations, and of course we're happy to scan all evaluations and send them to you the next day. Our health advocate leaders and professional staff are excited to facilitate evidence-based well-being programming for you and your student audience. Reach out to us if you have any questions, and we'll see you soon.